Hi, I'm Esther. I'm with GladLash. I'm actually the founder of GladLash. I'm a licensed esthetician and cosmetologist. Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to apply strip lashes with my own special techniques. We're going to be putting on this style today. These are called accent lashes, and they really do accent your own eyes.
Come on in.
There's a few different ways of applying strip eyelashes. People are always asking me, what's the best way? Today I'm going to show you my favorite trick for applying strip eyelashes. Now, the first thing I do is I take my eyelash curler and I want to curl my lashes. So I'm going to just give it a quick squeeze just to do a little lift. And I'll go to the next eye, a little squeeze, and I've got the little lift that I need to start with. The next step is taking my spoolie and just doing a little brush to get all my lashes aligned and very neat. Now I have two favorite application tools. This is the GladLash double-sided tweezer. One end has a sharp spear, be careful when you're using it, and the other has an angled pointed end. And the other tweezer that I really love, GladLash strip tweezer. Very easy to use. It's got a really nice long base over there. And that's for picking up your strip lashes. The glue I'm using today is GladLash Black Lash Lock Glue. This is a wonderful glue, really my favorite strip lash glue, because it holds your lashes on for 3 to 4 days. Okay, my first step is taking the GladLash glue and just putting a few drops right on the tray. You don't need more than that. I'm going to dip this spear point into my glue, and actually I am going to be applying the glue right on top of the band, and I'm going to get plenty on there. Not to overdo it, but just to make sure I have enough glue on top of the band and on top of the bottom part of these strip lashes. Next step is to fan the lashes just for a few seconds. That helps the glue get really tacky and form a better bond. I'm going to lift up my eyelid and I'm going to apply these beautiful lashes to the outside corner of my eye. And there you go. I have my accent lashes right on my underneath area of my eyes. I love the look of these accent lashes. Now these are basically a half a lash or 3/4 strip lash. They don't go all the way to the end, but I'm going to touch that up with a little mascara later. By putting the accent lashes underneath my own lashes with just that little dab of GladLash strip lash glue, it's going to bond and you do not see the invisible band at all. You can't even tell where my own lashes start and where the accent lashes start. Just all blends in together. Now this is a wonderful technique because as you could see, it was really easy to put on. Okay, now I'm going to do the other eye. Technique is the same, painting the glue on the invisible band, touching the bottom part of the lashes, and I'm going from one end to the other. Make sure you get it on the ends because a lot of people say this is where their lashes pop off. Now I'm doing my gentle eyelid lift and placing it on the lash onto my own natural lashes and just gently tap it in. I can take my pinky and just gently press it in. I got this right on the edge of my own lashes. I did not touch the pinks of my eye, And that makes it feel so comfortable. It's light as a feather, can't feel anything. Gives it a beautiful cat eye look. Now for a last step, and this is optional, but because I used a half lash, I want to fill in my inner natural lashes. I'm going to be using GladGirl Lash Enmasse. This is a wonderful mascara, and what makes it different, it's got two ends. And this is formulated for all kinds of eyelashes. Eyelash extensions, strip lashes, or your own natural eyelashes. I'm opening this up, and I'm going to use this end. I'm just going to clear out some of the lash mascara right at the end. Now I'm ready to just gently, you don't need too much of this, but you can blend your own lashes in with the lashes you've just done with a light sweep. Go over to the other eye, same thing. Okay, and then I'm done. Okay, now I have completed a cat eye look. It feels so light, I can't even tell where they're actually applied. This look will last you almost a whole week. Our glue is so good. We could sleep in them. When you wake up in the morning, all you might have to do is take a clean spoolie and just spread them out a little bit. I love this technique of applying the strips underneath your lashes. No one can tell you're wearing strip lashes, and I know everyone I've showed this to is really impressed. It's a very professional technique. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Don't be afraid to try this technique. It's easier than you think. And stay tuned for more of our videos.